In a small village in Thailand, a special day is about to begin.
Hi, I'm Tom.
Hello, I'm Molly,
We live in this village.
and we love Songkran.
Molly, every year on April 13th to 15th, people in Thailand celebrate a special festival called Songkran.
Yes, I know, it's the Thai New Year, right?
That's right, it's my favorite festival. Songkran is coming.
Really? I'm so excited.
Let's get ready. Yes,
I can't wait. I'm so happy. I want to play water. Me too. Let's splash everyone. It will be so fun. Best day ever.
Tommy. 5 more minutes.
No, wake up. It's Songkran Day.
Songkran?
Yes, come on. Let's go. Hurry up. Start the day. Tom, you look nice.
Thank you. You look very nice too, Molly. Tom, Molly, are you ready?
Yes, we are ready. Let's go to the temple. Wow, Tom, look at that Buddha statue.
It's so beautiful and very peaceful.
I like this place.
Yes, it makes me feel quiet inside.
Wait, do you smell that?
Smell what?
That sweet smell. It's really nice.
Oh, I can smell it too.
This is scented water, Tom. We mix clean water with soft perfume and flower petals like jasmine. It smells fresh and calm. People use it during Songkran.
Mom, what are they doing? Why are they walking so slowly and holding those bowls? Is it something special for Songkran?
They are pouring scented water on the Buddha.
Oh, so it's not just for fun.
That's right, it's a peaceful and meaningful tradition.
I understand. It's very beautiful. Molly, let's take a bowl like them map slowly. Be careful, Tom. Don't spill the water. It smells really nice. I like it. Yes, it feels calm and peaceful.
I feel so calm. This is very peaceful. I like this moment. It makes me feel quiet and happy inside.
Tom, this is how we show respect during Songkran.
So it's not just a tradition?
Yes, it also brings good luck, peace, and happiness to our lives.
I like this. It feels so peaceful and beautiful. It's not just fun like I thought. It makes me feel calm and happy inside.
Molly, let's make a wish together.
Okay, close your eyes.
I wish for a happy new year for everyone.
I wish for my family to be healthy and safe. Happy Songkran, Grandma and Grandpa. Thank you for taking care of us.
Thank you, my dear children.
We are very happy to see you.
Happy Songkran, my dear children. You always grew up happy and kind.
Be good health, a bright future, well lifestyle.
Take care of each other and always do good things.
What is that? It is soft prepared chalk.
It is cool.
This is fun.
This is fun.
It is fun.
Hey, everyone, let's play water.
Yes, come on, let's go. It's going to be splash time run.
I am very happy.
Me too. Songkran is a beautiful festival.
Songkran is about family, respect, and happiness.